that he wants to get rid of numbers. Do away with arithmetic. That's what we're going to show you today with a little fun play about King Arithmetic and his 4 daughters. And before we proceed, I just want to say that I love numbers. They are a picture of God the Father, and no beginning, no ending, and they're absolute. 5 times 2 is 10. Always, always, always. Even if the children sometimes don't agree with that, but it's a good picture of that. So enjoy what we have to present to you today, the court of King Arithmetic.
Your Majesty, Sir Palm has arrived.
Tell my ambassador to come in. He may have some interesting news to give us.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I like Sir Problem.
They're kind of hard to understand, sometimes.
So do I, but he's a very useful fellow for all that.
And very important, and handsome too, don't you think?
Tut, tut, daughters. Stop the chattering. Here comes Sir Problem himself.
Sir Palm, abbess of the court of King Arithmetic.
Your Majesty, King Arithmetic. Princess Addition, Princess Subtraction, Princess Multiplication, and Princess Division.
Welcome home again, Sir Problem. What news do you bring us this time?
Bad news, Your Majesty. Sad news, Your Majesty.
Out with it then.
Well, Timothy Schoolboy has announced. Oh, I find it so difficult to say, Your Majesty.
Go on, go on.
Yes, do. Please do. Well, Timothy Schoolboy has renounced arithmetic. He has given it up.
What?
Oh, no. How dreadful. How could he? Impossible. I know how you must feel, but that is the case.
The facts, Sir Problem. Give us the facts.
Well, Timothy Schoolboy threw his arithmetic book into the river. And threw his arithmetic book homework assignment into the trash can. Stop him!
Put him in chains!
Blow him in oil!
Silence, all of you. Where is this
In the guardhouse, Your Majesty.
Send for him at once.
Guard, bring in Timothy Schoolboy. This is Timothy Schoolboy.
So, I understand you've been making trouble.
He doesn't look bad. He doesn't look foolish. Nor even dull. I think he looks cute.
Silence, daughters, silence. Timothy, what do you have to say for yourself?
Nothing. Bound, say, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty. What did you do with your arithmetic book?
I threw it into the river.
Bound, say, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty.
Why did you do that, Timothy?
I don't like arithmetic. I'm no good at addition. I can't do subtraction. I don't understand multiplication. And division scares me.
That's no way to speak of the king's daughters.
But it's true. I don't want to learn any arithmetic ever.
Let me take care of it, Your Majesty.
No, this case must be solved according to the rules. Send for lady calculation.
Guard, bring in lady calculation.
At your service, Your Majesty.
Lady calculation. Your problem is a problem.
A very serious problem.
When I fact, Your Majesty, I will give it my most profound attention.
Of course, proceed, Sir Problem.
Well, here is the culprit, Timothy Schoolboy.
He looks harmless.
See, he threw away his arithmetic.
Oh dear.
Into the river.
Oh no. And he threw his homework papers
Into the trash can.
What a monstrous boy, to be sure. But it's true, I don't like arithmetic.
You see what I mean?
Lady calculation. What is your advice?
Bring me volume 7, my latest book. Well-tested supervision for the variance. Look at section 92, page 197, section 34, paragraph 6, 93.
is Alicia? What did it say?
What is it? Tell us.
Just like that. Well, what does it say? It says extract a product from the evidence and divide from the difference between. That sounds reasonable.
Exactly what I thought myself. Exactly.
But I prefer my short version. What does that thing say? It says check results before going on. That sounds reasonable. How do we do it? We will give this boy his greatest wish. We will take arithmetic out of his life. He will not be able to use numbers in any way.
Oh, good. I like that.
Must the punishment be so severe? We will give Timothy one chance to change his mind.
I don't need any chance. This is too good to be true. No addition, no subtraction, no multiplication, no division ever again. Oh boy, what fun.
Wait, boy. We will proceed in an early manner. The book says check results before going on. Lords and ladies of the court, let us show Timothy schoolboy what this punishment would really mean. With your Majesty's permission, proceed. When is your birthday, Timothy?
January 12th.
No more birthdays, Timothy. We've gotten stays for months. We're going to count numbers. Dates. They add up too.
No birthday cakes, no cookies anymore. We need numbers, tables, and fractions to measure what goes into them.
I'll buy them at the store.
You cannot buy anything, Timothy. To buy is a figure, add, and subtract. And you don't sense.
I'll have a bicycle. I'll ride my bike.
Bikes cost money. Money means numbers. Bikes have many parts. 2 wheels, 2 pedals, and many spokes. It is the same with 2 planes, 2 trains, and cars.
I would travel.
But you need to know how to prepare on buses, trains, and boats.
There be no numbers of clocks to tell the time, Timothy.
I get a job and work all day.
They don't always have to pay us. And so, Timothy, you'll be nothing but little around nothing.
You're nothing. It's running right on you.
Oh no, Timothy, I am 0. I am nothing when I am 1. As you would be, Timothy. But when I belong to the group, I am very important. See like this. I can change 2 into 20. You can't change numbers, see?
I want to go home.
Mustn't ask directions. Mustn't count streets. Mustn't have numbers in the door.
All phone.
Phone numbers!
Oh, I wish.
What do you wish, Timothy schoolboy?
I wish I never said those mean more things about arithmetic.
You want those all the way in the river?
Yes.
You want those in the trash can, remember?
Yes. I mean, no. I wish I hadn't.
Timothy, perhaps we could solve this problem. Will we reach the heirs? Will we be friends instead of enemies?
Oh, could we, Your Majesty? Could we?
What do you say, Sir Problem?
I'd say that's a sensible answer to the problem, Your Majesty.
And you, Lady Calculation?
Check it, double check, Your Majesty.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you.
And now, Timothy, let my 4 daughters give some good advice.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Princess Edition.
Think your figures carefully. Add for tossed out. Check for bottom up. Always keep your figures carefully, Timothy. Then add for video lesson.
Yes, Princess Edition.
Princess Subtraction.
The mind sign for take away complication, remember. Subtract,
Yes, Princess Subtraction.
Princess Multiplication.
When you have learned to add and know all of your times tables, you will like to multiply. You will see numbers grow and grow. Remember, keep your figures in straight lines, then the multiplier times the multiplication will give you a product.
Yes, Princess Multiplication.
And now, Princess Division.
You probably know more about division than you think, Timothy. You see, you divide whenever you share things. Candies, cookies, or toys. You must learn how to subtract and multiply and start your times tables thoroughly. Then you'll be ready to divide larger numbers. You divide by the dividend, by the divisor, and the answer will be called the quotient. Promise you'll try hard, Timothy?
I didn't know arithmetic was so important. I'm never going to play arithmetic ever again. I'm going to make arithmetic one of my best friends.
I knew you was in this course.
Yes, so did I.
You'll find that arithmetic will work for you every day of your life, Timothy.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Now I must hurry. I don't want to be late for school.
What else would